Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we'll be dealing with some simplifying exponential problems. So here we've got 3 to the power of x plus 1 minus 3 to the power of x minus 1 all over 2 times 3 to the power of x. So the only thing that we're going to do here will be just simplify this by writing x to the power of 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 1 minus 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 1 all over 2 times 3 to the power of x. So the thing is, if you can multiply this times this, it's going to give you here, because we'll be saying 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 1. When you multiply term of the same base, you add the exponent. Same applies here. When you multiply term of the same base, you add the exponent. So here we can take a common factor, which is 3 to the power of x. So if I take 3 to the power of x out, I will remain with 3 to the power of 1. Minus, if I take 3 to the power of x, I will remain with 3 to the power of negative 1 all over 2 times 3 to the power. So here you can say this will cancel this, so we'll remain with 3 to the power of 1 is equals to 3 minus 3 to the power of negative 1 all over here will be remain with 2. So what do we do here? So we can write this 3 minus 1 over 3, because 3 to the power of negative 1 is the same as 1 over 3 all over 2. So here what we can do is we can take a common factor here, which is 3, because here is over 1. So okay, this is the over 2. So we're going to say 3 times 3 is gonna be 9 minus 3 times this is gonna be 1. You say you take the common factor and multiply each variable with it, which is the common factor here. Here is gonna be 3. You take 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, then take that 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 is going to be 1, because the 3 will cancel 3. So then here 9 over 9 minus 1 is 8 over 3 all over 2. So then here is 8 over 3 divide by, so okay, let's come this side. It's gonna be 8 over 3. So now we are going to change this sign to be times or multiply. It's gonna be multiply, and remember here it's over 1. Here is over 1. So when you change the sign, so this one will be upside down, so it's gonna be 1 over 2. See, we come back here. So then, since there is a multiply sign, so this 8 times 1, the numerator will multiply the numerator. It's gonna be 8 times 1, it's 8, then 3 times 2, then the denominator multiply the denominator, then 3 times 2 is gonna be 6, and then the highest common factor here is gonna be 2. So then 2 into 8 is gonna be 4, then 2 into 3, 2 into 6 is 3, then you are done.